Hi guys, welcome to the first video where we're going to look at how to connect your components together. Okay, to start with today, you're going to need 4 items. Well, a little bit more than 4, but these are the 4 major components. You're going to need your circuit board or your breadboard. You're going to need one 9-volt battery attached to the battery connector. Be careful that the two wires here don't touch each other, okay? It is going to be very dangerous if those 2 wires touch, okay? Make sure they are not touching. The next thing you're going to need is an LED light, and you're going to need a 10K ohm resistor, okay? So the colors should look quite similar to what you see here: brown, black, red, and gold, roughly in that, it should be in that order. And that was one of the components that we provided for you. Okay, so be careful that you only have one of these. The other resistor is the 500 ohm resistor, and you have 2 of those. Okay, so look for the one resistor that we distributed up to. That's the 10K ohm one. Okay, a quick little review here is that these parts, the outer parts of the circuit board, are all connected horizontally, as I've got in my diagram right now. Okay, so all of those are connected horizontally, and all of these are connected vertically or up and down. Okay, so each of those, all 5 of those holes are connected together. Okay, and these, let's see here, 10, 20, 30, 40, these 50 holes are all connected together. Okay, the ones that I'm clicking on that you see in yellow. Okay, let's get into building our circuit. So we're going to connect the black wire to one of these. Okay, so you can actually see that that's actually kind of highlighted there. Okay, I'm going to connect the red wire to the other side. Oops, I made an extra wire here by accident. I'm just going to remove that first. You definitely don't want that wire connecting the red and the black, okay? We do not want to connect the black and the red together like that. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to bring a wire over from the black side over to our circuit. I'm just going to do this at a bit of an angle so that you can see that those are now connected together, okay? The next thing we're going to do is we're going to connect our resistor. Okay, so now the black line from the battery is connected through the wire to the resistor. Okay, from the other end of the 10K ohm resistor, we're going to grab another wire. I'm just going to move it a little bit further over. Okay, it's going to connect over here, and now I'm going to plug my LED into that. Okay, so we can see that the right side of the resistor is connected to the left leg of the LED. The last thing you'll need to do is to connect a wire from the right leg of the LED back to the red. Okay, and now your entire circuit is complete. If you look very carefully, there's a very faint green color. That shows everything that's connected. So now we've actually created a circuit, and your LED light should come on. Now, if your LED light does not come on, the first thing I recommend you do, as I said, is disconnect your battery. Okay, disconnect your battery if your circuit's not working. Okay, that is the best thing you can do for your safety, and make sure this is not touching anything else, no metals. Okay. What you can then do to troubleshoot this is very likely what's happened is that your LED is it needs to be plugged in a certain direction. One of the legs will be longer than the other. Okay, and so what you'll want to do is you'll want to flip your LED around. So I'm going to hit the flip button. And you can see that the LED is now flipped around, okay? And you can now try to now put your battery back in to see if the light goes on, okay? Now, you could actually even try to flip the LED around. If you got it working, flip the LED around, and it only works in one direction, okay? We'll talk a little bit more about why that is in class, okay? But hopefully this video was helpful to help you connect your very first circuit. Right, see you guys later, bye-bye.